Racing just is started. We have Hockey Hook. Break quickly at a start. Moving upon the outside. Last Sim. Pretty Bull. Happy Boomer. Wild Speed. Admiral is the early trailer by about 5 lengths of the leader. We have Hockey Hook by a length and a half. Pretty Bull is down on the inside. Last Sim. Happy Boomer is racing in third. Wild Speed. Admiral still racing in last and going along for the first turn. We have Hockey Hook. Pretty Bull is down on the inside second. 2 lengths further back in third comes Last Sim. Happy Boomer and a long way back to Speed Admiral who's still racing in less. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Hockey Hook maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Pretty Bull in second. Last Sim. Happy Boomer remains in fourth while Speed Admiral is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 octavo we have Hockey Hook maintaining a length and a half lead, and in second is Pretty Bull. Last Sim. Happy Boomer while Speed Admiral is still running at the tail of the field, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Hockey Hook this time by about 3 lengths. Happy Boomer now in second. Pretty Bull, Last Sim, Speed Admiral as they swing for home. Hockey Hook this time by about 4 lengths, followed by Happy Boomer on the outside. Last 100 meters, Hockey Hook, Happy Boomer in second, and nearing the finish line, the program opener belongs to Hockey Hook, Happy Boomer, Speed Admiral, Last Sim, then comes Pretty Bull.
There you have it. Icebreaker natin, Hockey Hook here.